Thumbnail. Like my hopes.
Sorry. Hi guys, it's Hannah, and today I'm joined with Riley. You guys have seen her on my channel a million times. There's like literally no need for me to introduce her. Yeah, basically. It's currently 12 o'clock and we're about to do our makeup, and we thought we would film it and do a little get ready with us today. We're just gonna be talking about random stuff. We decided we'd look up some unpopular opinions and just make it an entertaining video for you guys to join in on.
Just chit chat, get ready with us.
Yeah, there you go. Plus you guys like seeing us together, so I
know, right?
Everybody loves us. Oh, I didn't wet my beauty blender.
I did. Priming my face. My hands are washed, guys, don't worry.
You know he texted me at 5 a.m. like the other night?
That's gross.
Oh, they gave me a little foundation sample.
Oh, that's so nice of them.
I know, how sweet, right?
Literally.
Is this even my shade?
Is this gonna be rude if I... No. Is there even foundation?
Yeah.
Try. Oh my gosh, that's so awful.
Wow.
It's like none. Look, ours look the same.
Okay, I'm trying the Smashbox Original Photo Finish Primer. I feel like this was raved about in like 2010. And I'm like finally getting to it. I've never had like a good primer before.
Oh, I had this one primer that was so good. What was it called?
Oh.
It was like a cream one because I only use brightening or hydrating ones because like if I'm gonna wear matte foundation, then I don't want like matte primer. It's just like too much matte for me.
Fair enough.
Fair enough.
Did you watch the Cody Co video where they... Okay.
Whoa, your face got so like not shiny.
Really?
Yeah, I watched it happen. Like right there. Oh, sorry. Ugh.
Oh yeah, my skin feels so smooth.
Oh my gosh. My face is gonna look so much better when I have like some form of concealer on.
Yeah, you're
Love
so
my
ugly without makeup.
Damn, I forgot to plug my eyebrows. It's fine.
Oh yeah, I was gonna do mine. Ugh, whatever. Our eyebrows look like crap. Sorry guys.
I'm using the Fenty Beauty foundation. It's like my second time using it. So I like it so far. Highly recommend. Oh crap, I'm a beauty guru.
Also, I'm a little bit sick at the moment. If my voice sounds like a little bit different, I don't really know. Doing your makeup in silence feels so weird. I'm always listening to music.
Same.
Time for some concealer.
Concealer?
I just applied that so unevenly.
Guys, look at the new Beauty Blender color.
I thought you were gonna say something else about it. You're just like, look at the color.
That's so sick. Whoa, we instantly look different.
Does this shirt look black on camera?
Yeah. It's actually green, Sam.
Just letting you know. That's a really important part of this video.
I feel like when you first do, like when you're starting your makeup, it never looks good until you do your eyes. Like mascara.
Yeah, that's true.
We should talk about 2019 goals.
Oh yeah. Do you have any New Year's resolutions?
I didn't come up with any New Year's resolutions because I feel like if I set myself one, I like won't get it. Like I feel like they need to come naturally.
That's true. Prepared herself for what she was going into.
I want to make a bullet journal.
I'm not finished.
For me, I feel like I don't have New Year's resolutions in terms of like, oh, I want to work out or I want to be more healthy or something like that. It's more just like people and like who I spend my time with, not caring what other people think, like that type of thing. Like I'm just tired of people's BS. Time for highlight. I remember when I first bought this, it was my first highlighter ever. And I remember you texting me being like, why are you buying like a high-end highlighter, or this is not high-end, but like an expensive highlighter for your first one? Like what if you don't like it? And stuff like that.
Me being a mother, I remember that.
You remember that?
No, I remember that highlighter. I don't remember any of the other stuff, but I have such bad memory. Is that bad? It's like I don't remember a lot of my childhood.
Oh. Ew, there's like a hair stuck on this.
I'm using this Tarte blush. We got it for Christmas. Okay, we should do unpopular opinions.
Okay, hold up. Let me get on Twitter. Ew, I don't know why I just said it like that.
Movies should be no more than 90 minutes. If the story can't be told in that amount of time, make it into a TV show or miniseries.
Ew, I disagree with that.
90 minutes is so short. Yeah, I'm not a huge fan of that, but you know, you do you.
I don't really understand why people are opposed to open relationships.
Would you want to be in an open relationship? That's the tea.
Is that weird?
A little.
Sorry.
The Harry Potter movies are mostly terrible. Should have been an HBO series.
Ah! Oh my god, I used to have this Harry Potter. It was like Hermione's wand that had a light at the top, and when you like swung it, what, like swifted? what word is that?
Swifted?
Like moved it really fast. Whatever.
I don't know. Is there a word for that?
I don't know. I feel like there is. Wafted. That's the word. Oh my god. Okay, if this is the one. If you went like that really fast, the light would like turn on. It was so cool. I don't know. When I really like TV shows, I would always like just act them out, like pretend I was in them. Like, you know H2O? Yeah. I used to literally pretend to be a mermaid. Like,
yeah, I used to swim like a mermaid in the pool too.
I had one of those, I'll insert a picture right here, but it's one of those like flippers where both your feet go into one. I was that kid.
Did you have Little's Pet Shop?
Yes.
They're not the same anymore. It bothers me.
Really? They changed them?
I'll show you a picture.
Ew.
That's why I kept some of mine, because I want my kids to know the real stuff.
Oh yeah. And Polly Pockets.
You know, okay, I have a funny story about that. There was like this rumor when we all had Polly Pockets, that they had toxins in them, because you know how they were like rubber?
Yeah.
Like the clothes. There was this rumor that there was like toxins in them. And so everyone in like my neighborhood in town and stuff like threw them out. So I hardly ever got to play with Polly Pockets. I don't know if everyone did, but I know that's why
toxins?
I don't know, but I know that's why I had to get rid of mine. Like my mom got rid of them.
Is that a sneeze?
I kept my eye open.
Coughed.
No.
I just do not find man buns or long hair on guys attractive.
I agree.
I
don't like long hair on guys either. I fucking love this eye. It always turns out so much better. I feel like it's also the way you like position your hand. There's a lot to it. You know, just beauty guru things.
Somebody said Friends ain't really that funny. I think y'all just ready to hype off of the nostalgia.
Friends is funny though. You can't say the unagi episode isn't funny.
Unagi.
Isn't that a kind of sushi?
And the one where Ross is like with the dirty girl or whatever. Cats are ugly and annoying. Sorry, I don't make the rules.
I'm a dog fan.
Yeah, I'm more of a dog person.
Ow. Skin. Oh, this is nice.
That was such a like gentle tap.
Yeah, you're so gentle when you do my hair. Like I thought you were like I'm more rough than that.
Oh, somebody put drooling is unattractive and gross. Stop drooling. I can't reply going, well said, Chloe. Oh really?
Yeah.
I haven't shaved my legs in like a hot minute.
Dude, same. Look at mine.
Oh my god. I've never seen your head like
I always shave my legs. I just like haven't been bothered. This was a nice little chit chat.
That is going to be it for this video. Hopefully you guys found it enjoyable to just kind of like watch us do our makeup and just talk about random topics. If you guys would like to see another video like this or have other video requests for us, let us know because we're always down to film more stuff.
Follow Hannah's social media because it'll be linked down below. She posts really cool photos.
Oh, thanks. Thank you guys for watching. We love you all to the moon and back, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Orange soda, Deepak Chopra, Versace robe and my